1 to 4. Ay, hindi. Sorry. 1 to 3. Okay. Specific directions for group 1 to 3. You will be making your online diary powered by Canva Journal or Zoho Project. At least 12 pages to 15 pages only with creative designs. Kamu na bahala mag-design sa inyong online diary. Sa inyong online diary, dira na nakabutang ang journey ninyo sa pag-set appointment with your spokesperson, and then ang inyong topic nga i-shoot, kag ang inyong mga questions nga pertaining man sa topic together with your resource person. And then along with that, you can include your learnings on the way as you journey with that specific completion of your output. Halinabi sa travel ninyo from the school to the office ang inyong spokesperson, and then sang namit nyo siya, anong learnings, anong observation ninyo, and so on and so forth. Okay? Kumbaga journey nyo get sa pag-complete ng output nyo ang inyong online diary. Nga gina-insert nyo lang ang topic ninyo. And then, your video includes of your interview. 5 minutes maximum and 4 minutes minimum video time, including your behind the scenes and bloopers. Sa 5 minutes na. Maximum na. And together with your proper interview sa inyong resource person. And then, of course, ang documentation ninyo with the EMRAD format, iniya, focus lang gid kamo sa inyong topic. Example, artificial intelligence. May ara ka mo sa introduction. Then, example, kung may ginlay down man ang inyong researcher nga pwede na siya ma-open sa inyo for the educational purposes ang ilang mga existing researches or ang ilang studies nga pwede nyo gamiton with your EMRAD. Okay? So, ngayon lang ka mo consent. But if hindi sila gusto, so hindi yung pagbutang, what will you going to do is kamo provide ano ang introduction sa artificial intelligence, then paano siya na-discover ang mga methodology niya, then ano ang mga existing researches nga nag-come up sa results with the artificial intelligence, and then ang discussion. Minimum 15 to 20 pages with the citation na and references. Alright? So, 3 ang isubmit nyo ng document pag-abot sa inyo on final project for Group 1 and 3. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Alright? Gets? Next, Group 4.